Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. We're doing a quick follow-up video after I've had my HC Motion headlights installed on my Lexus ISF. I want to give a quick shout out to one of my viewers, David, for commenting on the previous video and is the sole inspiration for posting this video, which is giving you guys at home a sneak peek as to the light output for these headlights. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the light output so far on this video. As you can see, I'm running some footage right now driving on the back roads of Lutz, Florida, which is basically just due north of the Tampa Bay area. But yeah, I installed these HC Motion headlights I don't want to say a week and a half ago, and I did not adjust any of the headlight aim. So what you're looking at right now is pretty much fresh outside the box, just installed. And if you ask me, the light output seems pretty good. You'll see that the high beam, I alternate with the high beams on and off. You'll see on the middle of the screen, you'll see the high beam engaged every few seconds here, just to give you an idea. There you go. But yeah, let me know exactly what you guys think in the comments. The light output of these, if I need to adjust them or not. Personally think I should adjust them a little bit higher, but that's just me. Driving around, it did seem a little bit low, but after watching the video, it does seem pretty decent as far as the light output. It is pretty bright, and it's very comparable to the V-line headlights, which I've had that since 2018. But overall, I'm pretty happy with these headlights. Like I said, I might have to adjust the aim a little bit. I probably will get to that when my resistor comes in. If you haven't watched my previous video, I did have an issue with the turn signals hyper blinking, and which is the same issue that the HC Motion tail lights had, but that actually came included with the resistors. And unfortunately, the headlights did not include the resistor part. So luckily, HC Motion is sending me a pair of resistors to install. So as soon as that comes in, you already know I will be installing that and reporting back in to let you guys know if the hyper blinking issue has gone away, which I'm pretty sure it will. But yeah, I'll let the rest of the video play out. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can leave a comment below. You guys can reach out to me on my social media. Once again, my car enthusiast page on Instagram is at l_sabio.isf. And I do work in the real estate business, so I have a real estate account as well at Realtor_Sabio. If you guys are in the market to buy or sell real estate in the Tampa Bay or Central Florida area, I'd love to earn your business or even hang out. We can meet up some car meets, take some pictures, do videos, and what have you. And that's pretty much all for now. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.